In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI, which can help you with a wide range of tasks, from answering questions and generating text to providing recommendations and much more. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started with ChatGPT and use it to its full potential. On your PC, navigate to your browser. In the address bar, type chat.openai.com and hit enter. When you launch it for the first time, an interface like this will appear. You can either log in or sign up. In this case, I'm interested in signing up first since we don't have an account with ChatGPT. We can then proceed to enter our email here, then click on continue. Then we can enter our password, then hit on continue. So we have to verify our email. We can proceed to click on open Gmail. So an email is sent to our Gmail account, so we can click there and then proceed to verify email address. So this will lead us back to ChatGPT. So we can then proceed to enter our first name, then our last name, then enter our birthday. So the whole goal is to make sure that we are not a robot but a human being. Then after everything, we can click on continue. So we should enter our phone number. A verification code will be sent to our phone number. A 6-digit verification code has been sent to our phone. So we can enter it here. It's 620253. Then wait a moment. So we have successfully landed on ChatGPT. So of course, we can see the example is ChatGPT explain quantum computing in simple terms. It also gets some creative ideas for a 10-year-old birthdays, and it can also answer questions like, how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? Of course, these are a list of its capabilities and also the list of its limitations. So in this box, you can initiate any prompt that you want ChatGPT to work on it for you. So in this case, for instance, let's ask ChatGPT a question. Example, what is the meaning of life? And see what it got to say and hit enter. So within a space of seconds, ChatGPT will start responding to this question. Wow, in a few seconds, ChatGPT has answered our question. So the meaning of life is a philosophical and existential question that has been debated and discussed by humans for centuries. This is so unique and I'm so excited. So you can basically enter any prompt that you want ChatGPT to give you a feedback to it. So you can even command ChatGPT to write a business proposal on the title, then put it into bracket, importation business, then bracket close, then hit enter. So in a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a great business proposal for you. So it has given us the executive summary, the market opportunity, the business model. Wow, this is so fantastic. So in the event you are not satisfied with the results whilst it's generating, you can hit stop generating and you can also hit the regenerate response. So it will start over again to give you an utmost feedback that you want. In the event you are still not satisfied with this style of response, you can stop generating it again and you can ask it to regenerate. So let's give it a moment for it to generate the feedback that we want. In this case, it has break down the business proposal into executive summary, market analysis, business model, marketing strategy, then financial projection, and a conclusion. So if you have any interest in sending a business proposal to an investor you wish you would have invested in your business, you can just copy this up and forward it to the investor. This is so unique and it's a great tool for each and everyone to utilize. If you have not yet started using ChatGPT, the time to start using it is now. Have you started using ChatGPT? And if you have started using it, how do you use it? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If this is your first time to this channel, consider subscribing to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.